How's it going on? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we're gonna be installing this radar bracket right over here on this 25 CRV. So this will, basically be the same procedure for all 23 to 25. The 26 may get a small redesign. So we're not sure if A, this trend is going to continue, and B, if it's going to be the same bracket or not. But for the 23 to 25, this is going to be the procedure. If it's the same exact car, then at that point, I'll update it to the 26 model years and so forth. Now, this is an issue in the tri-state area, so New York and New Jersey mostly, but Connecticut and stuff like that too, maybe some parts of PA. But anyways, if you live next to a bigger city, chances are they are after your radars for the 17 to 25 CRVs, 18 to 25 Accords, and the 23 and newer Honda Pilots as well. So if you have one of these, just be on the lookout, be vigilant. They are after these, radars, especially in the bigger cities. So that being said, we're going to be doing the procedure today for this radar bracket installation on the 25 CRV. Now, the other cars are all slightly different, but the CRV and the Accord are very similar, the current generations at least. The previous generation stuff is quite different, and I'll make videos on those as well when the time does come, and need be, and I get someone willing to let me do a video on their car. So as you can see, I covered the license plate. Obviously, this is, again, a 25 model year and only has about 100 miles. So unfortunate that this happened. He purchased the vehicle, went home, parked it, the next morning, the very next morning, it is amazing, the radar was missing. So very unfortunate. They are after these, so just please be vigilant if you're specifically in the New York City area or surrounding areas. All you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna need a bracket, obviously. I'll have the link to these in the description section down below. You're gonna need a pocket screwdriver or a panel trim tool of some sort, some masking tape here to just protect the grill, and an 1164, a drill bit with a drill of some sort. So that's what we're gonna be doing here. And we just pull this off very gently here. Doesn't take much pressure, comes right out. And obviously they're not as cautious when they rip these out. They don't care. You wanna pull from the top because these down here, they hinge into place. So it'll hinge here and click up top. So don't pull from the bottom. You'll break these two clips right here. All right, so now take your bracket, you just place it over here. And we are good to go here. Make sure it is straight here. You don't not want to mount it crooked. If you mount it crooked, it could obstruct the radar, and then you're going to need to re-aim it and readjust this. So we are good here. I'm going to start drilling this with our 11/64 drill bit here. And if you want, you could just make your starting marks here and then remove the bracket. All right, we're gonna remove that now. And this is plastic, so it does drill very, very easily. Drill all the way through. All the way through. And you don't have to worry about going through the radiator condenser. It's probably about 8 to 10 inches behind this, so that drill bit will never reach that. Now we got 3 screws here. I'm gonna put this on here. And you're gonna wanna start all 3 by hand. These are one-way screws. That's fine, you can let it move a little bit here. Now you can also put some thread lock on these if you want. These are one-way screws, so it's nearly impossible to remove these once these are on, so make sure you do not make any mistakes. Now, like anything else, if they want this bad enough, could probably take it. But hopefully this idea is to prevent them and they don't come prepared to do any more damage. And if you find that your emblem is missing one day, but the radar's still there, that means they looked at your stuff, they may be coming back. So again, be vigilant, try to park if there's cameras or anything of that nature, as much security as you can. And again, this is plastic, so do not go overboard making these tight. And you are good to go here. So very simple to do. All right, nice and straight. Radar is not obstructed at all, so we are good here. We're going to put our emblem back and we'll be done with it. All right, so now we pop our emblem in bottom first, then we push in the top, and we are good to go here. We're gonna remove our tape. Everything looks original. Nobody has to know what's behind there except for you. So once again, 23 to 25 Honda CRV. And if you live in a tri-state area, please be vigilant, be alert. They are on the lookout for these radars. So with that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.